Hello, good morning. Mga pare ko eh. Lipad na naman kami.
We're okay for headphones, folks, this morning?
Ito, breakfast muna kami. Ito yung breakfast namin sa aeroplano.
And if you require some assistance to deploying the aircraft this morning, please remain seated once it's...
So ayan mga pare ko, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration.
Ano ba?
I don't know. Yeah, eto dito. Tingnan natin dito sa ano.
Screen.
So yun, E76 kami. Ito na kami dito. Time to relax. Pupunta kami ni Mrs. sa Waikiki Beach. Si Mrs. beach. At napakalamig sa Canada. E71 to 87. So yun. So yan, dumadaan kami sa duty free ngayon. So okay itong ganito, backpack lang. Backpack, tapos another small backpacks. So madali lang mag-travel kasi sa mga trolley. '76 right. Oh, what is this one? Pacific Passage. So yan.
Sinusuot ng mga old, na people.
Important na kami. From Vancouver to Honolulu. Nanonood ako ngayon ng ako ng Honolulu. Yes, Hawaii. So ito, nakabukas yung ano, open yung airport dito. Ha? Ano ba yung wiki-wiki?
Information.
Wiki-wiki shuttle ba yung sasakyan natin? City bus? So yan po, nag-taxi na lang kami. Sakto lang, ang nakuha namin Pinoy. Talagang napaka husay.
Pag Uber naman, sometimes yung mga $30.
Oo, sa Uber.
Depende kasi pag yung traffic. Pero flat na lang.
Oo.
Ilang weeks kayo dito sa?
1 week.
Paano sila magbibenta kung di na i-open sa labas?
Most.
Ito na po kami ngayon sa Waikiki Beach. Ang ganda dito. Bawal yata tayo dito.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Waikiki Beach. So ito na pala yung famous Waikiki Beach. Ito na po. Nakakita kami ng tunay na dagat dito. Paul na may grabe. Ano po? Ayan, ayan. Oh, Waikiki Beach.
Ayun na yun, nagsisurface.
Marami, oh. Ito sa'yo kung kaya mo. Surfing capital yata to. Surf. Waikiki Beach. Talagang Waikiki nga daw, Waikiki.
Maganda na yung float na ganyan kasi pag makapunta sa malayo, no?
Oo. Ang lakas. Waikiki. Okay, time check mga parekoy. Ngayon ay pasado alas 6 ng gabi.
6:18.
6:18 at ito ang panahon. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Waikiki Beach. Hawaii.
Aloha.
Aloha. Ito mga pare ko, meron palang balete dito sa Waikiki Beach. Ang laki oh.
Sophisticated, it's the talk of the town. Swing your partner round, soon you'll cover ground. Sophisticated hula, well, it's the talk of the town. The lady hula babies, they love to dance. They do the beanie, rock, rock. And all sophisticated hula's your chance. They'll do the dancing while the melody rides. Dance to the music scene, soon you will be pleased. Sophisticated hula, it's the talk of the town. Hands, there we go. Hands on your hips, do your hula dips. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town. Swing, swing your partner round, soon you'll cover ground. Sophisticated hula, well, it's the talk of the town. The lady hula babies, they love to dance. They do the dance to the beating of drum. And all sophisticated hulas, your cat, they do the dancing while the melody runs. Dance to the music speed, soon you will repeat. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town, the town. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town. Hello.